what we're gonna do today is one of these, this one, we're gonna marinate and we're gonna barbecue / grill. The other one, salt and pepper, no marinade on the cast iron skillet. We're gonna see if one cooks a little bit different or they taste a little bit different, or if they both taste the same. Coarse salt and pepper. Looks good. Put that aside. 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce, is 1/8 of a cup of water, 1/8 of a cup of orange juice, 1/16 of a cup of oil, half a lemon lightly squeezed, seeds out if you get any in there, 2 cloves of grated garlic, tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of Montreal steak spice, and 1/8 of a tablespoon of pepper. Timer so I know that it's 10 minutes. And I'm just gonna give this a little coat. And you'll see me in 10 minutes. We'll put it on the barbecue. We're gonna preheat the barbecue to about 450. All right, so it's been marinating for almost 10 minutes. The skillet's heating up inside. It's gonna be a bit of a juggle for me because I'm gonna go back and forth inside. I should have a burner out here, but I can handle it, I think. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm thinking about 6 minutes. I'm gonna take it to an internal temperature of just below 130 and it should come off about right around medium. All right, so it's a little over 2 minutes. We're gonna give it a flip. A reminder, if you're doing Wagyu steaks where there's so much fat content, especially if you're marinating them, you want your grill clean, that way you avoid flame up, then it's good to have a bottle of water. Oh, looking beautiful. So I'm definitely doing a little bit of a juggling match with these delicate steaks. So I'm running back and forth. A little flame over there, we're gonna just meat thermometer. This is a very good one. It instantly tells the temperature, but you just got to be careful you don't put it too far in. I did it the other day and I thought they were done and they weren't. Getting very close. Probably another minute. All right, so we're taking it off at the 19-minute mark. I'm sure it's done. Definitely don't want it overdone. There, it's looking good. We're gonna let that set. We're gonna go check the one on the inside. That's pretty close. Okay, the time has come. I'm excited. These look incredible. So this is a grilled one, it's obvious if you can see, and this is a seared one. I'm gonna go with the seared one first just because. So hit the subscribe button now before I cut it. It might be horrible and you'll quickly run away. Did I cook it good? Looks pretty good to me. These Wagyu steaks, I don't eat very much often because they're so expensive, but they are worth their money. So let's try this one here, the marinade. Oh, that looks pretty good too. It's pretty juicy. That one has a lot of meat flavor, it's good. Oh. I love that. If there's anyone out there watching this and they don't believe me that you can marinate these and they taste better, I challenge you to try it. Because don't get me wrong, this is beautiful, but this is amazing. Completely amazing. Oh, the fat content. It's just right.